So, dear friends, in this lecture, let us talk about how to get the simplest resultant of any general force system. Then, when the general force system is known as the range. Okay. So, the general force system, it has the simplest resultant. It has, suppose this x, y, and z. This is the coordinate system, and its origin is O, and it has the simplest resultant of any force system. It has the force resistance, or you can say resistance of the force, or the couple resistance, CR. Okay. Now, this is the simplest resultant of any general force system. This we know, we came to know. Now, next is how to convert it into the range. Okay. So for that, what we have to do, we have to resolve the CR into two parts. So how to resolve that? So for that, this is the R, and suppose this is the M, or you can say CR, CR, this is R. Okay. Now it has two components. One is parallel to R, that is, suppose we take a CR perpendicular, this is the CR perpendicular. You can take CR perpendicular, and this will be CR. You can change the color. This is the CR parallel. Parallel to what? So parallel to the resultant. Okay. Simply one can represent CR of this in the form of CR, or you can say C perpendicular. CR, what I have shown like parallel, this can be written like R. Also CR can be replaced by M, better for the better understanding. Okay, now keeping CR only here. So in this figure you can see now what is happening. The direction we have to show, direction, and direction, yeah, this is the O. Now this is the second stage, this is the first stage, where this is the simplest resultant of what means the general force system, and this is what, this is the components of CR and R. So better to say only components of CR. Okay. In the third stage, what is the next? So in the third stage, what will be here? CR perpendicular, or you can say C perpendicular, will be replaced by equivalent forces to equivalent forces acting in the opposite direction, acting in the opposite direction. Okay, so what we are going to do in the third stage, this C perpendicular is eliminated. Then what we have the origin. From the origin there is a resultant. This we have already resultant. Okay, and parallel to this we have, sorry, parallel to this we have, yeah, one component of the resultant couple. Okay, so what to do now? Here, as the M2 is replaced by two equal forces. So this is suppose R and this is suppose R minus. So in this way it can be replaced, and from here, from 0 it is by d distance. Okay, so as we know, what is the physical significance of moment? It is the multiplication of suppose multiplication of r means position vector and force means cross product, or you can see in scalar form it is f r. Okay, so here r is replaced by d, r d. Okay, so हम चाहे तो force को, if there is a distance is given, so we can show in the perpendicular, we can show in the form of moment. Okay, and suppose we want to replace the moment, then we can convert that by showing by showing by representing two equal forces like this one and this one, but both should act in opposite direction. Okay, so this is done in the stage third. Okay, now as we know, the in stage D, couple is free vector. Okay, so free vector, what is the meaning of this? And so here, as a couple is a free vector, and why this is a this part is included here. So the reason is to cancel out this, the original, to cancel out the original R. Okay, so in the fourth stage, as the couple is free vector, so what we have to do, this can be represented. अब देखिए आप O से आपका, this is the O, this is O, and from here it is a d distance, and ये this one and this one cancels to each other. So what is the remaining part? This is the remaining one. So this can be shown by R. Okay, and this C couple parallel to the resultant can be represented here in the line of action of the resultant, as it is free vector. So I forgot to mention the direction, and this is the direction. Okay, in this way, C parallel, or simply if you want to write in the, if you want to replace this C parallel, then you can replace that R, and it is suppose C or M. In this way we can replace. So now it becomes a range, क्योंकि रेंज के लिए क्या डिफिनेशन है कि आपका रिजल्टेंट एंड द रिजल्टेंट कपल ठीक है, आप इन दिस वे यू कैन शो शुड बी इन पैरेलल. ठीक है, तो पहले तो पैरेलल में ही थे, लाइकवाइज आर एंड दिस इज द सी, ठीक है। बाद में ड्यू टू द फ्री वेक्टर द लाइन ऑफ एक्शन ऑफ बोथ becomes same, it becomes collinear. So in this way, now by resolving the resultant couple into two parts, then replacing one of the components of the you can say the couple moment, and that is represented that is replaced by the forces, the uh, resultant forces by suppose minus r and r, okay. So due to this the original r got cancelled. You can see here this is now cancelled, okay. So what remains, this remains, ठीक है। और क्या बच जाता है उसके साथ में, ये आपका एक और जो कंपोनेंट है कपल का वो बच जाता है, ठीक है। सो इन दिस वे the range, how to get the range we have done. Thank you.